Welcome back to the Venom Workshop. So today we're going to show you how to do is how to change the throttle control right here. Don't mind the difference in the color. This was just one I had. But I'm going to teach you how to change that. It's not hard to change. You only need a few basic tools, but you're going to want to remove your rack and the hood first. So we're going to do that. So all you're going to need to do that is your 8mm ratchet. And you might need a 10mm wrench if the nuts on the bottom are a little bit seized or rusted. But if not, if it's a pretty good or easy one, you can just reach underneath and grab it. And I have my little tray there. Okay. Now, next, you're going to want to remove the two from underneath here. So if we go down here, they're right underneath there. And there's one on each side. I'm just going to go ahead and remove this one, and then I'll do the other one off camera. And you guys will be able to do that too. So I'm going to go ahead and remove those two, and I'll be right back. Okay, so what you want to do now, remove the rack. Off to the side. Now we're going to want to remove the hood, just like that. Get it off to the side. And that exposes our throttle wires. So these are our two throttle wires right here. So next thing you're going to want to do is have a set of snips. And the snips is just to cut some zip ties. There we go. And these are our plugs right here. We can go ahead and just unplug them. Just like that. And we're going to move to our throttle. And for your throttle, you're going to want just a metric Allen key set, just like this. And you're going to want to use the number 3 Allen key. Like that, and then it just slides right off once you loosen it. And this is the bolt underneath here, just in case you didn't see it. That's the bolt right there. Now to put your new one on that you get, you just want to loosen that off a little tiny bit, not much, and slide it back on your handlebar just like that, like that. And then we can go ahead and we can tighten up our bolt again. Here we go. So our throttle is nice and sturdy. Now we can go up and get our wiring. You're just going to come back to the same thing. You're going to plug into a red, green, white, and black. And that is our drive wires. And then you're going to plug into a brown and black. And that's going to go from a brown and green. And those are for our forward and reverse switch wires. And then we're going to put our wire back down inside there. I'm going to go grab some zip ties there now so I can zip tie everything back up, and I'll be right back. All right, so I'm just going to take a zip tie, put it right here. I'm going to take a zip tie, and pull all these wires together here, and make it nice little. Keep everything nice and tight for there. And that's pretty well it. So we'll cut those off. Just like that. Everything's nice and tidy. Now we go ahead and put our hood back on. And just make sure the tabs line up down at the bottom and the front, like that. And I'll snap down just like that. And then we can go ahead and put our front rack on. And the front rack is super easy. It's just the exact same way we took it off. We're just gonna put our bolts back down through here. Go ahead and put our nuts on and our bolts on, and that's it. And that's it, guys. So that is how you change the throttle control on a 1500 watt ATV.